Dear friends, today we are going to discuss advanced data validation in Excel. We will do this in two parts. One is table reference and another is custom reference. First, we will see how to use table reference in data validation. We will use table reference in cell range B3 to B10, that is this range. For that, what I am going to do is I am going to develop a table. So I will just write here, what we will do is I write department names. So departments and department names I have written 4 names. Now I am going to give a name for this. So what I will do is I just put insert table and then it is asking, but it is showing the entire range. No, I want to take only this particular range, this C2 to C6, right? I just okay. And then I'm going to tick that my table as header because departments is a header. I just put OK. Then I'm going to remove the style. I'm just going to click there. There is a button here, clear button. I remove it here just for my interest. Now I'm going to name this file. This name is called table file. I'll name it as departments. The table should be there, no? So what I will do is I just put table department. So TABLE table and departments is too big a name. Therefore I put I'll stop with DEPT. Right? I just make that. So the table department is the name here. So when you go there here, you can see here table department name is shown here. Here also you can see table department is there. So when I am adding another department, say like for example accounts. Accounts is already there. Service department, that also will be included. And we will see that here. Now I'm going to give this data validation. I'm selecting this B3 to B10. I'm going to data, and then there's a data validation here. I'm going to put data validation. In the settings, I will choose list, and then here I'm going to enter a formula. The formula is equal to indirect, because I'm going to refer it as a range, therefore I'm using an indirect function, open bracket, a positive, and then I'll put table, 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 DEPT, table department, and I will open bracket, and then the header is there, no? That header name I put departments, right? And then I'll close bracket, I'll put an apostrophe, and then I'll close bracket again. Now, that will do. That's all. It has taken. Now you see here drop down menu is there, and you can see here production, accounts, admin, and finance department is there. I can select anything. So here also I can select anything. So I'll put finance department. I can repeat this department also as required. Suppose I am adding another this thing. Suppose for a service department, right? And then I'm going to add one more department, project site. Project site 1, right? Then if you see here next time, if I go to drop down menu, you can see here service department and project site also is there. I can select project site 1. That is the use of this table reference, because you can add on as many sites as possible. What we can do is probably I'll just copy it here. If project site 2 is there, and if I go there, I can select project site 2 also. And this is how we are going to use the table reference in data validation. And we'll go back and then see this custom reference here. Custom reference is when you're going to have multiple validation using formula, then you have to have custom reference. We'll go to this custom reference. And here you see here, divisions are there. I'm going to have 2 conditions. One is this should not be repeated. If I have put say for example division 1, I should not repeat again division 1. That is number 1. Number 2 is the length of the characters in the name should be less than 6. I can't put a long name. Right? These are the 2 things. So what I will do is, this is one condition. This condition is I'm going to refer this range, and in that range, if the first value is repeated, then it is true, otherwise it is false. So it should be true. And then again, because it is dollar sign is not there, it will follow for the entire data range. Right? Wherever you have put the data validation, there it will take a corresponding cell. Okay, and it will check between $3 to $10 here. That is fixed here. And length also I put A3, no absolute reference because this is going to vary here because this is valid for all the cells. And I'm going to combine it using AND, right? So you will see how we are going to do it. I'm going to select this cell. I'm just going to select data and then data validation. Here it is data validation. What I will do is here I will put custom because more number of formula is there, no? So I put come. And here what I will do is I will just copy this data. So I have to copy this and I will write it since I have not copied it. I will write here and open bracket countif, COUNT, countif. And then what I will do, I will have to select this green, right? I selected this green. Now I put dollar sign. I will put the dollar sign here also. And I put A3. So I'll put A3 directly equal to 1, comma, length of that A3 also should be equal to less than 6. Should be up to 5 characters only. Then I will close the bracket and see whether I can do it. There is a mistake here. And is there, count is there, $3 is there. $8 to 1, A3 equal to 1, equal to 1, equal to I will not put here. Equal to 1 I put here. And then this is the thing. So now what we will see here, we will put division 1, DIV 1, taking. I'll put DIV 1 again. It will not take because the 1 is already there, right? So I just put. Now I'll put division 1. We will see here division 1. It has got more than 5 characters. There is this again will not be accepted, right? Therefore, I have to put div 2. It will accept DIV ISI division. I will put 10. So only 5 characters are there. It will accept, right? If you put div 10, div 100, it will not accept because it is more than 5 characters, right? And it will also not accept div 10 because it is repetition, right? Therefore, all these 2 conditions are satisfied in data validation. So I will put a division. I will put site 1, site 2, site 3, right? I can keep on putting it like this. See, I can put add also, right? 57. It is accepted because these are all different versions. So we put site 90, it will not accept. You know why? 90 will accept. No, site 90 we will not see. It is not accepting because it is 4 plus 2, 6 characters are there, right? So site 9 only will accept. Div 10 is accepting, but site 10 will not be accepting. I hope you have understood both the table reference for data validation as well as this thing. I will stop sharing. In case you like this video, please recommend to your friends. Thank you very much for listening.